Well, it's been a while since all the neighbors started looking out their blinds and thought, oh god, he's back at it again. Ever since I sold the 2019 STi, honestly, I haven't been really in that big of a mood to do any kind of content. I went to a 22 GMC Sierra 2500, and while it was a great truck, it honestly just wasn't me. Back to 2021 STi, we're gonna take it for a drive pretty soon, but before we do anything, and before I catch you guys up where I've been the past year and a half, we gotta put the Remark exhaust back on. So this will be a pretty quick one. I already have an install video of how to do everything on the 2019 STi, so realistically, we're just gonna do everything here in the garage, jack the car up, slap the exhaust back on, and get that rumble back. So all four wheels are now up on ramps, so it's time to go underneath and start removing the existing exhaust. So one of the mufflers came off super easy, the other one was extremely difficult. It just kept getting stuck on the rubber hanger. Instead of using WD-40, I just used a crowbar, tugged on it a little bit harder, and came off pretty easy after that. So now it's time to disconnect the remainder of the piping. And the entire exhaust is out. You can see what a massive difference between pretty much a 2 1/4 inch pipe versus a 3-inch pipe. No more resonator, no more mufflers, just nice and straight pipe, letting this car breathe a little more. All right, let's start putting it back together. All right, it's bolted down and time to turn it on and see what it sounds like again. Well, that completes that. I'll see you guys next time from the inside of the car, like I said, where we kind of catch up on what's been going on over the past year and a half. See you then.